Everybody, and welcome to Gorilla Tag Fan Game Tier List. I'm only going to be ranking the fan games I've played, so let's get into it. Starting out with Fun Monkey Horror. Fun Monkey Horror is pretty fun, but it's not there. Now, Scary Monkey Horror. I don't know, it's just Gorilla Tag, but with monsters. I'm pretty sure that the same creator of Fun Monkey Horror made Scary Monkey Horror, but Fun Monkey Horror has its own map, so I have not played this. I would assume it's like, I don't know. Now, Primal Fear I have played, and I love it. That game is very much the GOAT. I think we're starting off with the horror first. Big Scary, do I even need to say why? Chimp Lab. I mean, it's up there. It's up there. I haven't played that game, nor that game. Cebus. I have played Cebus, and it's... Actually, I did meet the creator of Cebus yesterday. He was very nice, and even showed me his Lucio running. So yeah. Well, you know what? Hold up. I'm just gonna put all the games. Oh wait, I have played this game. Monkey. I forgot Monkey Deluxe. I think it's called. It's mid. It's really mid. I'm not gonna lie. I have not played any of these. Dang, I have not played a lot of these. However, I have played Cube Runners, and yeah, it's pretty fun. I like Cube Runners. Monkey See, Monkey Doo Doo. I have played it. I have played Monkey See, Monkey Doo Doo. Yeah, it's mid. It's mid. Okay, you can't argue with me. It has a scale tool, guys. It has a scale tool. You can become tiny and big. Monk. Monkey. I mean, I'm gonna put it in this is mid. Also, I'm just gonna change the delete one to... Don't know. There we go. Don't know. So I'm just gonna put like a lot of these and don't know. Most of these are going in don't know. I will play some of these when I'm done with this video, and then tomorrow I might make a remastered Gorilla Tag fan game tier list. So yeah. The last game on this list is Fish Game, which nobody likes it. Nobody likes Fish Game at all, bro. Fish Game is so bad. Nobody plays it. And just like that, that is my tier list. Maybe I should have checked out some of the games before. I mean, Moki, is that what it's called? Moki game looks really fun. Monkey Hub VR, I don't know. Monkey Day, that looks like Backrooms, so. But, yeah, that's it. That's it. Nothing else. So, bye, subscribe, Monkey.